Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So do not judge how I look. I'm currently wearing my Disney loungewear top and greasy hair. As you can see, it's really bad, but I don't care because I'm at home, and why do I need to wash my hair when I'm not leaving anyway? So that's my theory anyway. So basically today's video I'm going to be making a goal board, and one of my friends was like, oh, why don't you video the process, because making a goal board is quite inspirational, motivational, and apparently YouTube like to see those kind of things. So I thought, why not? I can video my whole process, and hopefully you guys find it as fun as I think it's going to be. I hope so anyway. The reason I'm making a goal board is I have a digital version. So if you're an iPhone user, there's one called Higher Vision Self Board, and I basically like created my own vision board and put it as my lock screen, so I see it every day when I wake up and before I go to sleep, and then it will become into your subconscious mind, and you're more likely to achieve what's on the board, as law of attraction states. Anyway, if you're an Android user, there's an app called Visuapp, so it's Visuapp. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, you can download that. I will leave the names below in the description box below. And yeah, I'm super excited because I've always wanted a notice board in my room to just put like to-do lists or like photos and stuff, but like this is going to give me an excuse to actually make a proper goal board. And then yeah, maybe I might add some photos in there as well. Let's see. So I hope you guys take inspiration, and I hope maybe this will motivate you to make your own one. I mean, if not, then I hope you just enjoy watching me make one. So if you do like this video, then please press like, subscribe to my channel, and comment on what you thought below, and if you like to see these kind of videos more often. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how I make this board, then please keep watching. So right now I'm currently just cutting up bits for my board. As you can see, there is a lot that's going on this board, so I need to cut these up, and then I will show you guys the board that I've bought. So I'm going to quickly cut them up now. Body hit the club, make a movie, yeah, rated R. Pull up like a trap star. What? Make love to a thug in the club with a South Zone 87 jeans and a fresh pair of Nikes on. Right, so I've basically cut them all out, tidied it up, made it look more cute. So this is what's going on the board, guys. So time to get it up. So I may have messed up a little bit because this is 600 times 400 milliliters, and a few people ordered this and it didn't look that big, but it's looking kind of big, and I don't really know what I'm supposed to do, but we gonna work with it. So let's see how it looks like. Oh, alright guys, it's actually not that small or big, it's pretty decent size, this is fine, cool. So the pins that I bought for this board is basically, realise you can't really see me. I bought rose gold coloured pins. I actually probably ordered way too many. There's about 160 pins in here. Not really sure what I'm using that for, but basically it looks like this. You can see that, so it's literally just the pin that is rose gold, and this bit is just transparent. I need to figure out how I'm going to put these on the board, but in a nice and presentable way. This one printed out way too big. I've got no idea why, but it just did. So yeah, but we'll do that one. Should we do that one first because it's the big one? Yeah, I think I'm going to put that on the side really. Okay, so alright, so with this one, what I'm going to do is is I'm putting
the number of what I want, and I believe it was the 10th.
So I realised I just started talking to myself because I just got distracted and started writing instead, which is typical me. So basically, what I did is I printed out this check. So as you can see, it's a fake check, by the way, guys. And what you basically do, it's in US dollars because this is basically for my side business because we get paid in US dollars and then it converts. So on this, I've basically put the date where I would receive my residual income, which is my monthly income from the business. And I put it as the 10th of April 2021 because that's when we all started this goal setting kind of situation. And you can fill out on the check who you want to pay it to. So I'm going to put my name down. So this makes you feel like it's legit. So then when you see it every day, you're going to be like, oh yeah, damn, that's how much I got paid or will be getting paid. That makes sense. Right, so that's how it looks like all together. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a pin and how should we do this? I'm thinking possibly put it like I'm just gonna put it on the side at the moment. I mean, I'm just putting a pin through it, right? So I can always move it. So right now, this is how it looks. It's right in the corner. It's the dentist one, so might as well. So what I think I'm gonna do, it makes more sense, is to put up all the big ones. And then I can start putting into the small ones. So let me get all the ones. Okay, so starting off, there's a lot of travel ones in here, by the way, because I love traveling, so obviously that's going to be on there. So I can't believe I haven't done this, but I want to swim with dolphins because it just seems so fun and they're just really cute, even though people have this thing where they're like the dominant animal. It's not that deep, guys, just an animal, calm down. Now this is a cruise. Me and my family have always wanted to go on a cruise, but we've just not made it. So I'm hoping that we get to go on a cruise. These are you guys probably gonna think, oh my god, this girl's so mainstream, like why she put this on a goal board? But I have been dying for a pair for, I don't know, I think since uni days, so since I was about 18, 19, but they're very expensive. But yeah, I want red bottoms, Louboutins, that's what I want. Let's do finish the travel ones first. I really want to go to Dubai, which most people have and probably think it's not that deep, but I really want to go. And I chose a picture of the Atlantis because I thought that's what it's going to remind me of Dubai. Another thing is, so since year 3, because that's when we learnt about Egyptians, Tutankhamun and all that jazz, I've been obsessed with Egypt. So even when like King Tutankhamun like documentaries come up, like I'm there, like I love it. So I've put a picture up of like Cairo with the pyramids because I really want to go. It just looks so amazing. So yeah, that's on my list. And this is a kitchen. So I do want my kitchen to look something similar like this. This is when I buy my own house. And I really want an island. Like, so I don't know if you guys, like, you know when you watch movies and you always have the people, like, so you know when you're watching like horror movies or just movies and like there's always a family that cooks a massive like buff breakfast and then they just leave, but their kitchen is always like the nicest kitchen. They always have like a massive island. So I think since I was young, like I've always just wanted an island in the kitchen, and I think I get that from my mum. She has always wanted an island in the kitchen as well, but our kitchen is too small. So basically this picture is for me to be motivated to buy myself a house that has an island that looks a little bit like this. Yeah, so those are the ones that I'm gonna put. I'll show you all of them while I'm here. So I've put so as you guys may know, I've been on TikTok recently quite a lot, so I've put a picture up of TikTok because I want to utilize that platform so that all my other platforms grow, like YouTube and Instagram. So I've put that down so that it motivates me to keep making TikToks. And there's so many people that are invested in it. Like literally, if I don't post for one day, people are like, where's your TikTok? And I'm like, wow, okay, like I do have things to do as well, you know, that's not just TikTok related, but I put it on there so it motivates me to, at least when I wake up, oh yeah, make a TikTok. YouTube. So I have been doing YouTube on and off for about 3 years, 2 years, 2 to 3 years. I think I've been proper serious about it for maybe like the past 2 years, but I get a bit lazy with like putting out content. So this quarantine's definitely helping because I've been posting up a lot more, as you guys can see, but I really do want to utilize it because a lot of people who started at the same time as me have got so many more subscribers now. So I'm clearly like slacking. So I need to do more. So I'm putting it on my vision board so that hopefully it will motivate me to keep posting as much as I have been. So this is just a quote. All my debts are paid in full. So yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to have any debts. When I say debt, I do mean student loan. Oh my god, they tried to rob me every day, mate. 60k, I cannot be paying that back. I will die before I pay that back, Jesus. But hopefully I can pay it in full. Now these two are put together, so this is a picture of my parents, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this like that. So that basically says, what does it say? Retired under new management, see spouse for details. And I'm going to put like it like there. Because I really want to retire my parents because they work so hard, and they still work really hard for me and my sister. So the least I can do is retire them. So I'm going to put that on my vision board. And I'm going to try and do that within a year. So everything I'm putting on this board is all for 1 year goal. So yeah, hopefully I do that. So I'm going to start putting them up now. So I forgot that I'd printed out more and I just forgot about it. So this one is director in training. So this means that I've got 50 people in my team. So I'm halfway there. So hopefully I should achieve this before 1 year. This one is Bahamas. I've been really wanting to go. I was supposed to go for my 25th birthday, but then I had no annual leave, so I couldn't go. So I am determined to go to the Bahamas. These printed out a lot smaller, I don't know why. This one says I'm financially free. That's pretty self-explanatory. This one came out huge. So this says 2020. So 2020 means I've got 20 personal business partners. And that's what a 2020 leader is. And I want to achieve that by next month. So if I do achieve these, then these will come off the board and I'll put something else on. That's my plan, really. So I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to put these up. I don't really know how to put these up. I'm quite nervous. Even though it's pins and I know you can take them off. It's all a bit like, ooh, you know? You want to make it look pretty as well at the same time. Alright. Let's do this. So this is the finished board. I hope you guys like it. So now I need to find some string so I can put it on my wall. But I'm pretty chuffed with that. I mean, I'm quite picky and I really hate the fact that there's gaps on the cork board. But it's alright, I'll just leave it like that and get over it. It's fine. But yeah, gonna put this up on my wall and that's that really. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I actually had fun making that, although it did stress me out because I couldn't put it all in the like level it up so that it's all together and no gaps really, because I just have an obsession with doing that. But you know, I think I'm pretty happy with that, and that's gonna be on this wall behind me. So hopefully it doesn't make the room look too small. But I shall insert a photo once I put it up on the wall to see how it looks like. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye!